Okay, so this is the pedestrian map, traffic map tutorial. I will be providing this template. Pretty much, I just uploaded this map and I created these lines. I just deleted that map, so you can see exactly what I created. These lines, I just put them there and kind of just eyeballed it and made it look like this is the width of a sidewalk. You can use these lines that are already there. They have grips at the end of them, so you can move them however you like, however you need, and place them however you want. And if you need to change them a particular color, change it a particular color. Remember, if you're going to change that, make sure you add that to your list. And that way, so when you go, and then you could probably just use, there we go. And I'm just holding shift to select. Control paste, there we go. And then I'll do the same with the rest. No. And then that way it's really quick. I don't have to worry about it. If I want to zoom in and zoom out of this, it's Control plus, Control minus. This is the selection tool. Use the selection tool. And there you go. I need to change this. But yeah, there you go. I know your street will be different than mine, or the one that I have here. I know I just picked a random one. That was by the college, and I picked a random house. But there you go. Well, this needs to change as well, because that's part of it. And there you have it. That is the pedestrian traffic map tutorial. Again, just, these lines, if you need more, Control copy, or if you're using Mac Command C or Control C, and then Control V or Command V, and paste. And again, use the grips to manipulate the lines however you want. But I don't need that line because it's already done. And there you have it. I'll go ahead and post this template up. Oh, to replace this map, go ahead and hit place, and then select the map that you want and place it. And we'll have to shrink it down to that size. So that was Control minus to zoom out, and then to zoom in, Control plus. And don't worry, we can arrange it, right click, and then send backward. There you go. And then I could delete the previous map, and all the lines are still there. So you can use these lines. You can resize this map. Hold shift when you do it, so it maintains the, when you grab this grip, otherwise it distorts it, so hold shift, and that way it'll scale it proportionately, and you're good to go. But yeah, pretty much just using the selection tool. Everything else I've pretty much done for you. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And that's it. So just place your map in there, resize it, remember hold shift, and you right click and use the arrange, and make sure you send it backwards, and that way you can delete this map, and have your map there present, and then you can adjust these lines accordingly, and you're good to go. And basically, I just have the sidewalks, and I have, let me zoom in, so Control plus, or Command plus, and then I have the pathways leading into the house and in the garage, and that's it. Now, if you have a driveway that's going to go to the back, and you have a detached garage, I'd put a line back here too. So I'd probably do something like this: copy, paste, stretch this out a little bit, move that, and stretch it out to where the office is going to be. And that's it. Or not where the office is. If there's other, but I reference the office, but you're going to be referencing the other works that you're studying right now. So, but yeah, so if you have other pathways to other areas, make sure you denote that as well. And that's it. So like, there's another pathway over here. Control copy, Control V. Make sure you, and if you hold Shift, it'll straighten it out, but we don't want that too straight. And there you have it. There's another pathway here. I would grab like lines. What I mean by like, I mean like vertical or horizontal, and that way it's easier to manipulate however you need it. And then it's good to go. You don't have to turn it or anything like that. It's already done. And there you have it. But I don't need these lines, so I'm just gonna, oops. And if you grab it just like that, Control or Command Z, like I grabbed that map and I moved it, that's undo. So that's one of my favorite commands. Another favorite command of mine is Command S, save command. And there you have it. So I'll go ahead and upload this and this template, and you'll have it ready to go.